Hello skaters! Welcome to our advanced skaters warm-up routine on the ice, focusing on counters, rockers and their combinations. We are going to begin with a forward outside chassé, followed by a forward outside rocker and a backward inside counter, done on both feet, alternating sides. Let's start on the left foot with left forward outside chassé. Step onto a right forward inside edge, picking up your left foot. Then step again onto a left forward outside edge with your right leg extended behind. Swing your free side through, twisting into the circle and executing a left forward outside rocker on the axis. Immediately after the rocker, step and cross over into a right backward inside edge. On the next half circle, perform a right backward inside counter. After exiting on a right forward inside edge, push into a left forward outside edge to complete the circle and return to the axis. Now switch to the right foot, start with a right forward outside chassé, execute a right forward outside rocker, cross in front with your left foot gliding into a left backward inside counter, step on top of the circle into a right forward outside edge, swing your free side through and prepare to start again. Our second exercise is similar to the first one, but now we're starting backward. We begin with a left backward outside chassé, followed by a left backward outside counter. After the counter, step into a crossover onto the right forward inside edge, completing the second half of the circle. On the axis, perform a right forward inside rocker. Right after the rocker, push into a left backward outside edge to finish the half circle. Then on the axis, start again from the opposite side. Begin with a right backward outside chassé, followed by a right backward outside counter, then cross over onto the left forward inside edge and perform a left forward inside rocker on the axis. Finish with a push into right backward outside edge. Even at the advanced level, skaters are constantly using connecting steps, like chassés, power pulls, and cross rolls. These skills are built from strong fundamentals. You can learn all these essential steps with clear step-by-step tutorials in my Figure Skating Foundations video course designed to help you avoid common mistakes and improve faster. Visit styleskating.com or click the link above or in the description below to join today and become a graceful skater with solid technical skills. Our third exercise combines forward and backward rockers with power pulls, helping you build control, rhythm, and edge quality. We will start on the right foot. Begin with a right forward inside rocker. After the turn, perform a power pull from inside to outside edge. Then enter a right backward outside rocker. Follow it with another power pull, this time from outside to inside edge. From there, begin the sequence again. This exercise requires strong balance and precise body control, good timing and knee and ankle bend throughout the sequence. Next, repeat the same pattern on your left foot, focusing on checking your shoulders after each turn, using powerful pushes during the power pulls, applying the correct down-up-down motion in your rockers. Keep your free leg close to the skating foot to help maintain balance and create efficient, clean turns. Next, we are going to repeat the same structure as the previous exercise, but this time using counters instead of rockers. Start with the right forward inside counter. After the turn, do a power pull from inside to outside edge, then enter a right backward outside counter. Follow it with a power pull from outside to inside edge. As you go across the axis, check your shoulders after each turn and focus on strong knee and ankle action during the power pulls. Now repeat the entire sequence on the left foot. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more figure skating tips and tutorials. Click the link above or check the description below to explore my YouTube membership options, where members can email me directly and even request custom video tutorials on the element you are working on. This next exercise includes a combination of rockers and twizzles, and we will be working across the ice alternating feet. Begin with a right backward inside rocker, follow immediately with a right forward inside rocker, then step forward onto a left forward outside edge and glide through half a circle. From there, cross roll into a right forward outside twizzle, exit the twizzle into a right backward inside edge, and now switch to the left foot and push into a left backward inside rocker. Follow with a left forward inside rocker, step forward onto a right forward outside edge, cross roll into a left forward outside twizzle, and exit on a left backward inside edge. Then begin the pattern again from the right foot. This exercise is excellent for developing quick timing between elements, changing rotational direction smoothly, strong knee and ankle coordination, and solid twist position throughout your turns. Our next exercise is advanced exercise that works on your deep edges, power, and body coordination through a series of rockers, counters, and Choctaws transitions. Start on the right foot with a right backward outside edge and perform a right backward outside rocker. Immediately after, swing your free leg forward, entering your twist position, your shoulders rotate in the opposite direction of your hips. From that position, execute a right forward outside counter. Then go directly into a Choctaw, from right backward outside to left forward inside, and then back into a right backward outside Choctaw. From there, do a power pull from right backward outside to right backward inside edge. Push into your left backward outside edge and repeat the entire sequence on the left foot. Start with a left backward outside rocker, then a left forward outside counter, followed by left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw, and right forward inside to left backward outside Choctaw. Finish with a power pull and begin the sequence again. This is a powerful edge control exercise that challenges your ability to hold deep edges, stay low with strong ankle and knee bend, maintain precision through complex transitions and direction changes. Click on the link above or check the description below to explore my playlist filled with great videos for step and turn warm-up exercises on the ice. Our final exercise in this advanced warm-up series will combine inside rockers, inside counters, and Choctaws. Begin with a right forward inside rocker. Immediately follow with a right backward inside counter. Glide through a half circle and on the axis perform a Choctaw from right forward inside to left backward outside, and then immediately return to a right forward inside edge for the second Choctaw. Now repeat the same on the left foot. Begin with a left forward inside rocker, then a left backward inside counter, glide on the circle and on the axis execute left forward inside to right backward outside Choctaw, then right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Immediately begin the sequence again from the right foot. This exercise challenges your inside edge control, rotational quickness, and your ability to maintain flow and edge depth through direction changes. This advanced warm-up routine has taken you through a series of challenging rockers, counters, twizzles, and Choctaws, all designed to build edge control precision, timing, and power. Remember, even the most difficult turns are built on strong fundamentals, so keep practicing your chassés, power pulls, and cross rolls. They are the foundation of everything you do at the advanced level. I'll see you in the next video. Keep gliding strong and skating with style.